Today we will discussing about isolation of algae. This is the unit third and topic name isolation of algae. Isolation means separating algae from a mixed sample to get pure culture. Common method, serial dilution method, stick plate method, micropipette method and agar plate method and washing method. Washing method, for example, Spirogyra woodaconium rapidly in sterile water to remove the contaminants. Use of the media PG11 and CHU10 and BBM fold facial medium. This is also the media used. And next go for the content explainer introductions. What are algae? Algae are single-celled or multi-celled photosynthetic organisms found in water, soil and rocks. Used in research, biofuels, food, pharma industries need for pure culture for studied. And next go for the habitat. Algae are found in freshwater, marine water, soil, snow and tree bark symbiotic with like fungi and lichens. Its collections depends on habitat. And next the habitat for three habitat are important: terrestrial algae, aquatic algae and unusual habitat. Next go for the flow chart on the isolation of algae. First one, sampling. Collected algal sample from their habitat, pond, lake, sea, soil, rocks. Use sterile bottles, containers. It will be note locations and date and pH and temperature and type of water. It will be noted about it. For soil algae, collected in top 2 to 3 centimeter in soil. For water use, plankton net also. This is the sample. Sampling check conditions grow more, make pure and keep alive. This is a perfect for practical file or lab reported also. And each step with materials are needed. So what are the material are needed? Sterile sample bottles, polythene bags, plankton net for phytoplankton and forceps, spatula and notebook, pen, CPS, thermometer, pH paper and cooler box to transport the samples. And this slides isolated from sampling site to the types of sampling based on habitat, water sampling, freshwater, pond, lakes and river. Use plankton net or directly collected with bottles, sargassum and laminaria. This is also the marine sea host collected the seaweeds by hand. And next, based on the size there, microalgae Chlamydomonas chlorella and macroalgae Sargassum porphyra etc. And isolation is performed to obtain a pure culture of algae, unialgal cultures and axenic cultures. And the soil sampling collected in top 2 to 3 centimeter soil moist place example for the chlorella containing the this is also the. And next in-shoot means natural environment. It controls the lab environment also. In-shoot means for algal culture can be done in two ways. In-shoot culture in natural habit like ponds and lab cultures under the controlled conditions for pure research cultures also. And next are enrichment. So enrichment meaning for the growth of the algal cultures rich in nutrients like what are there? Axenic cultures. So axenic this is also the enrichment culture samples. Most important for the sample sterile mediums and sample plus sterile water. After sampling we take the collected algae and transfer it to either sterile medium or sterile water to start the growth and remove unwanted things. So it will be maintained for sterilization methods to kill bacteria, fungi and other contaminants from water medium and glass was we use it. And next methods for purification, first techniques are filtrations. It uses separate the algae from water and debris. Used to concentrate the phytoplankton from large water samples. The filter paper hold algal cells, then we wash them into sterile medium. Filtrations. and centrifugation. Centrifugation is not shown in diagram is mentioned. Spin the sample at a high speed. Heavy algal cells settle at bottom as pellet. Discard the supernatant and resuspended pellet in fresh sterile medium, good for removing small contaminants. And serial dilutions also. The diagram on right shows test tubes with 9 ml medium each labeled 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 10. Procedure: take 1 ml enrichment sample to add 10 power minus 1 tube is mixed. Take 1 ml from 10 power minus 1 to add to 10 power minus 2 mix. Repeat till 10 power minus 10. Why? Each dilution reduce number of cells. So higher dilutions like 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 9. The single algal cells grow gives unialgal axenic cultures. So this is the pure cultures, only one species of algae without bacteria or fungi. So next method for micro manipulations method. So this used to get pure clonal unialgal cultures. Micromanipulation for single cell isolation. This method is used when we want 100% pure culture, only one type of algal cells, no bacteria. What are the steps involved? First one, place drops of sterile medium on a clean glassed slide on Petri dish. Second one, sterilize the micropipette. It use a very fine glass micropipette. Sterilize it by flaming or autoclaving. And third one, it locate algal cells to be isolated and transferred to the sterile medium. After that, under the microscope, observe the enrichment sample. Use micropipette to pick one single algal cells. Wash it by transferring through 2 to 3 drops of sterile medium to remove contaminants. Finally, the transfer that single cell to fresh sterile medium in test tube, flask or Petri dishes. And result, all cells in new culture will come from that one single cell. So it is genetically identical and pure. And next slides on atomized cell spraying. This is the another modern method for isolation of algae, atomized cell spraying. This technique is used to spread algal cells evenly on agar plates to get isolated colonies. How it works? Enriched sample reservoir. The culture sample with algae is kept in container A and B, and second one, liquid injector plus atomized air spray gun. The sample is passed through a liquid injector. The spray gun breaks the liquid into very fine droplet using the compressed air. This is called atomization, like a perfume spray. And third one, this is the agar surfaces. Petri plate with agar surfaces. This fine droplet containing single algal cells are sprayed onto the agar surface of the Petri plate. Each droplet ideally has one cells. Result, after incubations, each single cell grows into a separate colony. We can pick one colony to get unialgal cultures. And next go for the maintenance. After isolation and purifications, we need to keep the algal cultures. Maintenance, only a pure culture, unialgal or axenic cultures, we have to maintain it for further use and experiments. So first one, subculturing, and second one, growth conditions. So what are the growth conditions? Light, temperature, aeration. And third one, storage methods. Short term method and long term method. Long term for cryopreservation in liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees C. And next, contaminations check. It regularly check under the microscope for bacteria and fungi. If contaminated, re-isolated using micromanipulations. And next go for this is the growth curve, the maintenance for the algal cultures. For the graph shows log of cell number is and log phase cultures, the 5 phases, log or induction phase. It is cells adapted to new medium, no increase in cell number. Metabolically activity is high. And second exponentially phase is a log phase. rapid cell divisions, cell number is increases exponentially. And third phase is decline relative growth. A growth rate is slow down, nutrients start depleting waste accumulators. And stationary phase, the cell growth and cell death curve becomes flat, and the nutrient are limiting. And death phase, cell death, cell divisions, cell number decreases in sharply. Thank you.